हेलो वेलकम टू बेस्ट इंग्लिश क्लासेस। मैं हूं डॉक्टर प्रतीक और आज हम कर रहे हैं इंटरव्यू की प्रैक्टिस। मेरे साथ है मेरे स्टूडेंट करणवीर। वी विल आस्क हिम अ क्वेश्चन और हम देखते हैं ये उसका कैसा आंसर देते हैं। सो करणवीर, गुड टू गो।
यस सर।
आपका क्वेश्चन है, टेल अस अबाउट योर फर्स्ट डे एट स्कूल। आपके स्कूल के अंदर जो आपका पहला दिन था उस दिन के बारे में बताएं।
So I have been to two schools in my life. So my primary school was different from my secondary school. So here I would like to talk about my secondary school where I studied from class 6 to 12th. So I remember I was very nervous on my first day of my school. So my secondary school was much bigger than my primary school. So I was lost there at initial hours. So I was searching for my class. Then I asked one student. Then I asked one student for my class. I was searching for sixth standard. So coincidentally, he was my classmate, and he took me to his class, and I settled down there. So at in it took me 2 to 3 hours to calm down myself. After that, I started making friends there, and at the end of my first day of my school, I was very confident, and I was very happy that this is a good school. My overall experience was very nice. Thank you.
ओके करणवीर, यू स्पोक वेरी वेल। बहुत अच्छा बोला आपने और हार्डली कोई एक या दो मिस्टेक्स मुझे इसमें मिली हैं। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर। थैंक यू एंड यू गाइज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।